Hey guys, it's Gina, and we are going to harvest some potatoes again today. This bed is on the side of my house. Hopefully I can get this done before it starts raining. It's been showing that it's gonna rain all day, but it ain't really done nothing but a little bit of drizzle. So we're gonna see what's in here. There's the bed that is in. So let me set you guys up, and then we're gonna dig out some potatoes. Alright guys, I am hot, but y'all just saw me harvest my potatoes, and this was actually the largest harvest I've gotten so far of potatoes. So I am actually going to weigh this to see how much it is. I did weigh my other ones, and I took pictures and have it in my phone so I can see how much I got in total for the season. So I'm going to turn you around and we're going to weigh it together. You know, so people like Broke Farmer don't be like, did you zero out the scale, Gina? We didn't see you do it. Y'all gonna see me do it. All right, let's turn this around. All right, so here's my scale. Haven't even turned it on yet. All right, so I'm gonna change this to pounds and ounces. So I have an empty basket, just like the basket that it's in. These are just some Dollar Tree baskets. I'm going to set that on there, and we are going to zero it out. All right, so you see it went negative, and then we're going to put that on there. So we got 5 pounds even. Y'all see that? Is it glaring? I don't know, but it comes out to 5 pounds even. There we go. So yeah, 5 pounds, I'll take it. So that's what I got. As y'all can see, there was some really big ones in there and some medium and small ones, but that was a pretty good harvest. These are all Yukon Gold. That's what I put in that bed, and I'm gonna amend that bed, and I think that some green beans are gonna go in there because I think I want to still try to get a lot of green beans. So I'm gonna put some in there, and I'm actually thinking about putting some in one of my green stalks. So we're going to get that going. But this is my potato harvest for today is July 9th. Y'all, look at how bad I'm sweating. Good Lord. Anyway, today is July 9th, and yeah, not bad. I think my last one was 2 or 3 pounds, and then the one before that might have been a pound. I can't remember, but we'll add them all up and we'll see what we got for the season. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.